When I look at Dianthus, this is just one of the most marvelous and easy to grow genera that we're studying. It tolerates full sun, it tolerates partial shade. There are some Dianthus that seem to just flower from the beginning of spring and go almost throughout the year. Why I like them is that they flower a lot, but I also know how to keep them flowering. If I deadhead them, I know they will continue flowering or at least flower again. So in Dianthus, plant them, get the right group of plants. There are so many Dianthus you can really mess up if you get the wrong one. The one we are looking at in this video is Garden Spice Coral, and the Garden Spice series is one which I recommend strongly. It seems to flower for a long period of time, it never gets too tall, maintenance issues are minimal, and it's just a great plant. So when you're looking for Dianthus, find out what's available. This is a hybrid Dianthus as opposed to Sweet Williams and others. These are the ones that really work well. But there's many, many more. Enjoy them all. If you enjoy plants, learning about plants, talking about plants, you know you have reached a bit of success if you can explain to others why this is a Dianthus. Why is this not a phlox? Why is this not a daylily? And simply saying, well, just because I know, really doesn't help the other person. So why is this a Dianthus and not a phlox, for example? Well, first of all, we do have some background in that carnations, I think most of us know, well, carnations are Dianthus. It's just a greenhouse grown cut flower, but if you look at this plant closely, you can see a carnation all the way, obviously, a very small one. But this belongs to a family, the Dianthus family, or one big long name called Caryophyllaceae, but it always has opposite leaves, and the main thing I look at in this family are the nodes, and the nodes are where the leaves hit the stem. They're always swollen. You can rub your fingers up and down and you feel the bump. You will see this same bump in other members of this family. Next time you buy cut flowers and get baby's breath, they'll have that same bump. And there's a number of other plants like soapwort that has that same bump. But it's really easy to tell this family, then you know it's probably Dianthus, and we can do more tests and say why it isn't other things. This group of plants is terrific. Just get out of the way.